In this video, I'll show you how to track game scores across scenes in Godot. Okay, so first we need to create a new script that tracks the number of points. So we'll add a new script. I'm going to name it points. And then create. And then we can remove everything except extends node. And then we can create a points variable, which is equal to 0 in the beginning. And then you can press Ctrl S to save the changes that you made to this script. And then next, we need to go into the project settings, go to autoload, and then add the points script so that we get the points variable as a global variable, so that we can track the number of points across multiple scenes in Godot. Okay, and then next we can create a new 2D scene. And the first scene is going to be the exit scene, which we end up in when the game is over. And then for the main scene, I'm going to add a button. So press Ctrl A and then search for the button node. I'm going to scale it up. Let's make this the end game button. And then press Ctrl A once again and add another one. And this is going to be the button that we use to add a point, just as an example on how to use points across multiple scenes. So just going to type in add point. And then next we need to add a label to display the number of points. Ctrl A and add a label. Let's just call it points label. And then we can go into the exit scene. And then press Ctrl A. Now we can add a label, which is going to display the final score. So I'm going to scale it up a bit. And then we can go back to the main scene. Make sure to save with Ctrl S. And then select Node 2D. And then we can add a script to this node. So I'm just going to call it main. And then we can declare the label type variable points game. And then next, we need to set up the logic for the endgame button. So when you click on the endgame button, it is going to switch scene to the exit scene. So just drag and drop the scene name into the change scene to file function. And then next, we need to add the logic for the second button, which is for adding the points. And we're going to use the global points variable from the points script, which we added to the autoload. And for each time the button 2 is pressed, it is going to add 1 point to that global variable. And then we need to set the label equal to the number of points so that it displays the number of points that we have in total. So the label is going to display text points and then display the number of points. So let's run the scene. See if it works. And as you can see, it works. But when we click on the endgame button, you can see that we have nothing. So we need to add a script to the exit scene as well. So select Node 2D and then add a new script. Just going to keep the default name. And then we can declare the label variable. And then next, use a ready function and set the label equal to the number of points added to the global variable in the previous scene. So final points, and then add the points. And when we run the project, you can see that it works well.